Hi friends, today is the second day of communication practice. Yes, uh, what I learned from other mentors that daily we have to practice speaking for 10 minutes. Yes, specifically English is required for corporate level, for to communicate with people with other country, to communicate people who do not know Hindi or regional language. So we have to practice English and we have to practice communication skills both daily by 10 up to 10 minutes. You can practice more, but 10-minute practice is very important daily. And how to practice? We can practice by making videos. We cannot just tell 10 minutes and there is no recording. It should be recorded so that we can evaluate the way we speak from the first day and the way we are improving day by day. Yes, surely if we speak continuously for 10 minutes, we will improve day by day. It is that has been researched by specific mentors that by practicing communication for 10 minutes day by day, we will definitely improve our communication skills. Communication skill is not getting improved day by day if we communicate with our family and colleagues, because the way we communicate with our colleagues and friends is informal. But the way we have to communicate in an interview, the way we have to communicate to a customer, the way we have to communicate to certain other corporate people is formal. The formal and informal is totally different. In formal way, we need practice because we have practice to communicate in an informal way. But if we have to communicate in a formal way, then we don't have any practice. In a subconscious mind, we do not have any recording for formal practice. So, if suddenly we have to speak something to someone, we will get nervous. We get nervous because of what? We get nervous because we do not have daily practicing something, or we do not have any day-to-day practice. So, to influence people in the informal way, if we have to do some formal meetings from formal communication, and we want to influence people in an interview, if we have to influence people, then we have to then we have to communicate in certain manner. Yes friends, we have to communicate in certain manner so that people will influence. If there is an interview and we are communicating, people should influence in the way we have communicate, and they make you hire. They will hire you. If we will communicate to our customers, or if you are working in sale and we are communicating to our customers, they will give you orders. So the way we communicate will the way we grow, or with the way we improve our career or improve our finance. So it is not important to communicate best in the first day. It is not important. Yes, we can be best if we practice it daily by making videos, and then after day by day, month by month, when we are practicing, our subconscious mind is getting stronger, and we have to face a certain situation, we will win the situation. We will influence that person definitely. And the three things which I feel is very important is one thing is body language. Yes, we should look confident. Our dress should be according to the situation. If we have to talk with the investor, how should we dress? Our grooming, our dress should be according to the situation, how the customer will feel, how the interviewer will feel, the way we should dress. We should be, we are mature enough to know which dress we should be wear at which time. And same thing, body language, we should look confident, but we should not look casual. Two things, casualness a person is confident but looking casual approach. But it should not be a casual approach. You should look serious, but you should look calm. You should look serious, but you should not look nervous. So you should look calm, relax, but you should look serious. And same time, third thing is the way we listen and the way we reply. The way the way we listen means we should listen to a person attentively. If somebody is speaking something, we should not just stop him and start reacting. If somebody is talking something which is maybe we feel that is speaking wrong or speaking something, we react. We should have patience. We should listen the person completely. We should give the person time to say what he want to say. Then we have to reply in a structured manner. So by practicing day by day, we will improve our listening skills. We will develop our the way we reply to people in a structured manner. Yes, friends, by improving our skills, we can improve too many things. So the three things, that is body language, listening skills, and grooming, dressing. And another three things, if we go deeper, if we if we make a content, if we have a planned speech, if we know that customer will come this day and we have to make a speech. If it is a planned speech, then we have to make the content in three phases. That is starting, how do we start, and the second is the content itself, and the third is how we end. How we start also create a good or bad impression, because if you make a wrong start, that will make a huge bad impression. And also the content should be brief, because nobody has patience to listen too much things. It should be brief, concise, specific, and it should influence the customer or the stakeholder. It should be influencing, but at the same time it should be brief and concise. And the end ending is also very important thing, because most of the time people who is leaving the room, he just feel what is the end. He's a, the thoughts is just put it in her mind. The ending line is just get into his mind, and it just repeatedly recalled. So if we feel something which we need to be recalled by our stakeholder, is not it? It will be a great thing. So we should think in that way, that we will communicate in a effective manner, with a concise or a specific manner, but it should be influencing, it should be impressing, so that the purpose, because the content has some purpose. In interview, your purpose is to being hired. In if you're in marketing, your purpose is to getting the order. If you are speaking in a public, then purpose is to the public should listen your content, and they should apply it, the content, in their life also. The purpose should be clear, the message should be clear, and it should be it should be it should be absorbed by the listener. They should understand the purpose, and they should uh, approach you. They should accept the way you have said, and they accept you as a person. They should like you as a person. Then if they like you, and they will accept you, and there is chances that growth of a career, your life will happen. So friends, daily practicing will improve our communication skills. So please practice communication skill daily and improve your skill. Thanks.